Good morning, children. In today's accountancy online class, we are going to see about company accounts. Under company accounts, we are going to see issue of shares for cash in lump sum, issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Children, now we will see issue of shares for cash in lump sum. When shares issued either at par or at premium are payable in single payment, the shares are said to be issued against lump sum payment. So when the shares are paid in lump sum, it is said to be issued against lump sum payment. Children, now we'll see what is shares issued at par and what is shares issued at premium. If the face value or nominal value per share and the issue price per share will equal, then it will be issue of shares at par. A company issues shares at premium when the price at which it sells the shares is higher than the par value, then it is said shares issued at premium. So when the share is equal, then it is called as shares issued at par. When it sells higher than the face value, then it is said shares issued at premium. Children, now we will see the journal entry for issue of shares for cash in lump sum. So this is the format: date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. So first, on the receipt of the application money, the journal entry is bank account debit to equity share application account. So this is for the receipt of the application money. Then the application money should be transferred to equity share capital account. So equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Suppose if it is issued in premium, then to securities premium account. So this is the journal entry for issue of shares for cash in lump sum. Now let's do a problem. Sarah Company issues 10,000 equity shares of ₹10, each payable fully on application. Past journal entries: if the shares are issued at par at a premium of ₹2 per share. So you have to record the journal entries for the sum. So we'll see how to record the journal entries. Okay children, now we are going to prepare the journal entries. First one is issued at par. So in the books of Sarah and Company, you have to prepare the journal entries. First you have to write the format and then look at the sum. Sarah Company issues 10,000 equity shares. So first is for receiving the application money. Bank account debit to equity share application account 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So how to find out this 1 lakh? How many shares? 10,000 at the rate of 10. That comes to 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So after receiving the application money, you have to transfer to share capital. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Application money transfer to share capital. So first journal entry for receiving the application money and then for transferring the application money to equity share capital account. Okay children, now when the shares are issued at premium. So in the books of Sarah and Company, you have to record the journal entries when the shares are issued at premium. So here what is the premium rate? ₹2 per share. Children, what is premium? When the shares are issued more than the face value, it is called as the premium. Here the face value is 10 and the premium is 2. So it comes to 12. So face value is 10, premium is 2, so total comes to 12. So the first journal entry is for receiving the application money. Bank account debit to equity share application. So how much is the shares? 10,000 at the rate of 12. That gives 1,20,000. So bank account debit to equity share application 1,20,000, 1,20,000 for receiving the application money. So once the application money is received, the next step is you have to transfer to equity share capital. So equity share application account debit to 1,20,000. Securities premium is 20,000. How? 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 2. That comes to 20,000. And equity share capital is 10,000 at the rate of 10. That gives 1 lakh. So the total comes to 1,20,000. Children, now we are going to see issue of shares for consideration other than cash. So here a company issues shares by acquiring fixed assets such as land and buildings, machinery, etc. So a company may issue shares for consideration other than cash when the company acquires fixed assets such as land and buildings, machinery, etc. A company may issue shares for consideration for the purchase of business to promoters for the services, to brokers and underwriters for their commission. Children, now we will see the journal entries for issue of shares for consideration other than cash. For purchase of asset, respective asset account debit to vendor. Who is called a vendor? A person who is selling something is called as a vendor. So for the purchase of asset, that asset account debit to the vendor account. For issue of shares, then vendor account debit to equity share capital account to securities premium if it is issued at premium. Children, now let us see a problem. Rajan Limited purchased machinery of rupees 6 lakhs from Jagan Traders. It is issued equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid in satisfaction of their claim. What entries will be made if such issue is made at par and at premium of 50%? So first we have to record the journal entries in the books of Rajan Limited when shares are issued at par. So the first journal entry is for the purchase of machinery. Machinery account debit to Jagan Traders. So from Jagan Traders only he is purchasing the machinery. So amount is 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Now the next journal entry is for issue of shares. So Jagan Traders account debit to equity share capital account 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Issue of 60,000 shares of rupees 10 each fully paid. So this journal entries is for when shares are issued at par. This is for the purchase of machinery. First journal is for purchase of machinery and the second journal is for issue of shares. Now the next one is when shares are issued at a premium of 50%. So the first journal entry is for the purchase of asset. Here the asset is machinery. Machinery account debit to Jagan Traders account 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs. So purchase of machinery. The second one is for the issue of shares. But children, usually they'll give the premium amount. But here in this sum they have given 50%. So you have to calculate 50% in the face value of the shares. Face value is rupees 10. So now we'll see how to calculate the premium amount, that is 50%. Children, now the total amount is rupees 6 lakhs. Rupees 6 lakhs. What is the face value? Face value is rupees 10. So premium is 50% on face value, that is 10 into 50 by 100. That comes to rupees 5. So now what is the issue price? Issue price is equal to, that is 10 plus 5 comes to rupees 15. So issue price is face value plus premium. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Be issued. So number of equity shares to be issued. Formula is total amount by issue price. So total amount is rupees 6 lakhs and the issue price is 15. So that gives rupees 40,000 shares. So now the journal entry is Jagan Traders account, debit to equity share capital account. This 40,000 we have calculated, 40,000 shares, and the face value is 10. So that gives 4 lakhs. So equity share capital account is 4 lakhs and share premium we have calculated as rupees 5. So 40,000 into 5, that gives rupees 2 lakhs. So the journal entry is Jagan Traders to equity share capital to securities premium 2 lakhs. Issue of 40,000 shares at rupees 10 each at a premium of 50%. Children, this is your homework. What is meant by issue of shares for consideration other than cash? And the next homework sum is issue of shares for cash in lump sum, issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.